are a new generation, a generation of fighters, a generation of thinkers, exploring the galaxy for love. A new era is dawning, a new hope is coming, a 21st century, 21st century love.
It's the century of a lifetime. Baby, pack your bags, tell your sisters don't cry. I'll be there Friday morning. Oh, babe, I'm getting my baby out of Tennessee. Oh, they ain't done nothing wrong to me, but time ain't waiting on you, it ain't waiting on me. No, girl, let's run away for our 21st century love. Baby, come, let's go. There's a lot to see. Our 21st century love. Get your stuff, let's go. You're too young to be running in a circle, girl. Now is not the time to give up. Chances here been gone on by like yesterday. Let's run away this century love. It's the century of a lifetime. Let me grab your bags, tell your sisters goodbye. We're leaving this Friday morning. Oh, babe, I'm taking my baby to Miami. Oh, we'll be making love on the beach, cause life ain't waiting on you, it ain't waiting on me. No, girl, let's make a way for our 21st century love. Baby, come, let's go. There's a lot to see. Our 21st century love. Get your stuff, let's go, let's go. Running in a circle, girl. Now is not the time to give up. Chances here, chance has come.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is a lipstick review, a liquid lipstick review, and it's going to be a short and quick one. No rambling or any of that. So I was approached by a company called RealBCosmetics, and they sent me 3 of their liquid lipsticks. That is their logo, which I think is really cute. They sent me 3 of their liquid lipsticks to test out to see if I like. You guys know I'm a lipstick junkie, so I was all up for it. Now, RealBCosmetics is owned by this lovely lady called Cinderlish. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly. If I'm not, I do apologize. And she's French. She's got 2 daughters, and her passion and love for makeup drove her to create this beautiful brand. Now, with this brand, she sells makeup brushes, liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, lipstick accessory units, you know, the spinning accessory units, lashes. She's doing it all, which is brilliant. Okay, and a lot of the names of her lipsticks are very empowering names. They're just absolutely gorgeous. She's got Empire, Queen of Africa, you know, Legacy, Queen of Africa. Like the names of the liquid lipsticks are really gorgeous. So the 3 liquid lipsticks that she sent me to test out today. So I've got Legacy, which is like a nude brownish, perfect nude shade for a woman of color. I've got, for the life of me, I can't really pronounce this one, but I'll leave it on the screen. And it's like an orangey red shade, very beautiful. And then I've got Cigarros, which is like a dark brown color, reminds me of cigars, so I presume maybe that's the influence. But anyway, it's a really gorgeous color, which is what I've got on my lips right now. It's such a beautiful dark chocolate brown color, which is gorgeous on a woman of color. Now, quick thing, I love the packaging. I love the little butterflies around the head of the packaging. It is a twist cap, which, you know, closes securely and quite tight, which means it will not dry up because it's airtight. On the packaging came a seal which had all the ingredients on it, including the expiry date. Now, you rarely see liquid lipsticks with expiry dates on it. We just tend to kind of remind ourselves a year later that we need to trash them. So it's brilliant that she put expiry dates on them. And the expiry date for these ones is 2019, which is brilliant. So it'll be around April 2019 when I have to get rid of it. That's if they still remain by then. But anyway, that's the good thing about it. The logo as well is really pretty. It's got the RealBCosmetics brand on it. I love the chunkiness of the tube is really good when handling it. I do love the applicators, like the flat type of gopher applicator, which is brilliant. This is like my favorite type of applicator for liquid lipsticks. It just kind of works well with the shape of my lips, and I never find have an issue with it. The formula of the liquid lipstick is matte. Now, according to her website, the formula for these liquid lipsticks are soft mattes, because she's got other formulas which I will tell you. She's got a lip matte proof and a matte lipstick, but these ones are soft matte lipsticks. Now, they smell like vanilla or sweets, which is really nice, but doesn't linger. So if you don't like the smell of liquid lipsticks, you should be fine with these, as during application the smell disseminates, so you will not continue to smell that. As well, the matte formula is really matte. Like, if I do that, you cannot see any transfer on my hand. Again, no transfer at the back of my hand, which is really good and really matte. And it's not like the sticky, pulling, tugging type of matte. It's just a really comfortable matte. The only thing that I find is that cleaning it off, it does take a little bit of an effort. The red shade came off quite easily, but then the two dark shades, well, I haven't tried to take off this one, but the nude brown shade, it took a little effort to get off. But for me, it's not a problem, because if you guys know me, you know that I do love matte liquid lipsticks, because I normally use a moisturizer anyway, which helps to protect my lips, so it doesn't bother me at all. But I just thought you guys might want to know. But anyway, they retail for £9.99. It is a UK owned company. They're repping black people. The names are very iconic, very inspiring, and I do love the shade range. She's got browns, nudes, reds, black, blue, green, really purple. I mean, really daring, gorgeous colors. So if you're like me, do love color, this website is for you. She does do bundle deals as well, which I think is quite brilliant. But individually, the lipsticks retail for £9.99. I do have a discount code for you guys, which I'll leave all the information down below. Yeah, let me know which one of these three shades is your favorite. I did enjoy swatching liquid lipsticks. You guys know that I am obsessed with liquid lipsticks, and I cherish the opportunity to keep trying new liquid lipsticks for you guys. But other than that, these liquid lipsticks get a massive thumbs up for me. As I said, the formula is truly comfortable. I'm happy to support a black-owned company. I love the packaging, love the applicator, love the smell. I have nothing negative to say about the whole brand and the collection and her website and the products. I'm really happy that she reached out to me, and I can't wait to try out more colors. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button before you exit this video. And if you want to stick around and watch a couple more videos, I've got a couple more for you at the end of the video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in a future one. Oh, and for you guys that would probably want to know, there is a makeup tutorial for this look, which should be up or will be up soon. You guys always know it's one or the other for me. But either way, it will be linked in the description box below. C'est la vie. Bye.
Now is not the time.